Students, this is NEET 2022 question and also it is a student doubt, right? So let's read this statement. In 1 molar solution that contains 0.5 mole of a solute, there is 500 ml of solvent, 500 gram of solvent, 100 ml of solvent and 1000 gram of solvent. In this question, 1 molar solution is present in which solutes are 0.5 mole, right? And you have to find the actual mass of the solvent, right? So for this, I'll write the formula of molality, right? So molality is denoted by small m, that is number of moles of solute present in total mass of the solvent, right? So present in total mass of solvent, that should be in kg, right? Now if you see the formula, there is total mass of solvent, but if we see the options here, solvent is in volume, so I can ignore this solvents option, and also here solvent is in volume, so third option is also ignored, right? Now our answer will be from option second or fourth, right? So now let's see the given values. Here I am having molality, that is 1 molar, and number of moles of solute. So according to that, if I'll consider solvent as component A and solute as component B, so number of moles is denoted by small n, and here I'm talking about number of moles of solute. So according to that, I'll put B in the subscript, right? Divided by total mass of solvent. Now actual mass is denoted by a small w, and here I'm talking about the mass of solvent, so I'll put A over here, and actual mass is in kg, right? Now number of moles of solute is 0.5 mole. Now if I'll talk molality in terms of mole, it will be 1 mole per kg, right? Now let's put the values. So molality, that means 1 mole per kg equal to number of moles of solute 0.5 mole divided by total mass of solvent WA, right? Now I'll take WA on the other side of equal to and 1 mole per kg in the denominator, right? So WA equal to 0.5 mole divided by 1 mole per kg. I'll cancel mole with this. Now here kg inverse is in denominator. When I'll take this kg in numerator, it will change its sign, right? So WA will be 0.5 kg, and if I'll convert kg into gram, it will be 500 gram. So according to that, my second option is the correct one.